to understand when are people taking the bus, what are the routes that are most common, what are the routes where people are waiting the longest, how long are people waiting in line at the accident and emergency of the hospital.
Nice.
All of this information we need to be able to mine properly, but we need to be able to give the Statistics Authority a certain level of independence, so people understand that people aren't going around poking into your data. The other thing we want to allow citizens to be able to do through the digital ID is to be able to see, like in Estonia, when does the government access your data, for what purpose, and who is it, at what time of day, how many times a year. These are the things that we think will give people confidence that government isn't accessing your data for reasons other than why we should. It sounds strange to say a crisis is an advantage, but during COVID, for example, we were able to do some work to make sure that each building has a single building ID to be able to make it easy for public and private businesses to operate. Linked to that, each individual also has a new digital ID. We've had about 90% uptake of that project so far. And we think that the two of those together are going to be able to allow us to fully digitalize government. That's just the beginning of having a complete e-services platform for citizens online, and to also have a full data center that makes sure that our data is secure. So that's where we are now. In many ways, we're at the beginning of the journey.